Hey, what is going on the YouTube? This is Robert, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing for a very specific item in the end, or one item specifically, but before that we've got two pieces to go through. I also didn't realise the size of the item that I'm unboxing today, so the box that arrived is rather large, and yeah, I wish that I could have bought more from this, but unfortunately all the orders that I tried after the fact, which I'll explain, got cancelled. So that's great, but let's just get into this anyway. And yeah, obviously, first and foremost, which we should have started with, Happy New Year, the first video of 2022. I don't know if I'm going to be uploading tomorrow or not, or I might just save that video for next Thursday instead. But yeah, let's just get into this regardless. And yeah, Happy New Year. Okay, so as you can tell, got an item, and then we've got this colossal thing here, which as you can see, yeah, it's massive. Okay, so let's go through the things that I want to go through beforehand, just to get through them. So first and foremost, this piece which I wore yesterday, or I had on yesterday just for my like end of year or 2021 type of video. This is a Uniqlo white mountaineering piece. Now I was going to do an unboxing and a sort of like review of the pieces, just to give an overview and just sort of step a little bit into, I guess, streetwear sort of side of videos, but instead I gave the other piece that I had bought alongside this to my brother for Christmas, because I was just sort of on the mindset of, I've got a piece, I don't need another one, I should give it to him for Christmas in the end, because I was just holding on to them for a good chunk of time. So I bought the jacket, and this is obviously the sweater. They're both, I bought obviously mediums in them, because oversized in my mind would fit as a large, or even to that extent an extra large. And yeah, they're just like really nice pieces. Obviously the price is fair from Uniqlo. In the end, this is almost like a review, but it was just to say that I was going to unbox them, but I just didn't. And yeah, I just think it's a really clean piece. If you ever see Uniqlo do any collabs with, you know, other companies that are within Japan, definitely pick them up, because they'll always be worth it and always be great quality in the end. So yeah, this is just the white mountaineering one. I didn't pick up the engineered garments one, which I wish that I did, but I didn't in the end, so it just happens. But yeah, that's that, and I'll move that out of the way now. The next piece, which is just a little bit late for the time of year, is here, which is just a Christmas tee in the end. It's a little bit late just because it arrived late in the end. I ordered it only like 3 or 4 days before Christmas, so I was sort of the frame of mind of like, is it going to arrive? Is it not? It didn't. So yeah, but it's from Oakium, which they had it on offer or on sale, I'm guessing because Christmas was so close. So yeah, this is just, I've always liked this. I was going to buy it last year, and also the year before that. I was like thinking about buying it from BSTN, the hooded or hoodie variation, which is just the little Jordan ad of him like going down, you know, the chimney in a pair of Jordan 1 Chicago's. So yeah, I bought that, so I'll have it for next year in the end, and hopefully have a pair of Chicago's to go with it, but we'll see about that. But yeah, I just really wanted it in the end. So yeah, let's move on to the main piece now, and the point of this video. So the whole point of this video is this piece here, which is obviously from Kith, and it's from the Kith Star Wars collaboration in the end. Now, I was attempting to buy the mouse pad and also quarter zip or half zip piece for my brother. He didn't want the Tatooine piece, he wanted the droids piece with R2-D2 and C-3PO on it. I say wanted, but his want is a very like flimsy sort of thing, because he'll be like, yeah, I really want that, and the next thing he'll be like, nah, I'm okay, I don't need it. So yeah, with that in mind, I attempted to buy it. I checked out on it 4 times. Each of the times it was cancelled, from an order being only like a minute past the drop time to like 5 to 10 minutes, and by that point I was like, yeah, it's over, it's done. But yeah, obviously I picked this up from the loyalty program, which, you know, thank you Kith for continuously giving me that in the end, or handing that out to me, because that's quite cool. But yeah, I don't want to get addicted to buying from them, because their retails on some things are quite high. Like this, for instance, they released the Looney Tunes version of this, and that was £30 or £25 cheaper. This was going to be the same price point, but then all of a sudden, 10 minutes before the drop, its price was adjusted to be above by a fair chunk in the end. So I'm not mad about it, it is what it is, but I really wanted to pick it up. The only thing that I didn't realise was until after the fact It's massive. It is. Look at this. So I don't really know how or if I'm going to have this in my room in the end, or whether I'm just going to like seal this box up and store it away, because it is, yeah, this is huge. Oh my god. And it's fully sealed as well. How am I even meant to get it out to like show it if it's been, it has been taped up completely, so wow. Okay, yeah, geez. Well, that's great. I was wanting to get it out to like demonstrate how it looks, but they have fully, I don't really want to do that now. Oh, are you serious? Oh, that is fully taped. It's the other end. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I've got it though. I'm not doing that. That's massive. Obviously you can see here just the name and such. Oh, this is just depressing. Star Wars, and then on the other side you've got the Kith Star Wars, and then the sizing to it, which is what, 4 feet by 4 feet? Yeah, 4 feet by 4 feet round. Yeah. I don't like, I don't really know what to do with it. Well, here's the Star Wars rug. Yeah, I can throw a picture up of it, but this isn't really where I wanted the unboxing to go. I was expecting it to be like just rolled up in something so that I could just crack it out. Not so far as each end is completely like this. So it weighs 3 kilograms. Oh, is that how many they made? No, must just be a shipping number, because it says carton 172 of 615. I'm guessing that's just the box number. It's like 172 of 615 shit. Style, but is that? I'm sure they wouldn't have only made 615. I'm sure they wouldn't have only made like 615 for the US drop and then like another amount for the EU drop. Because I know their stock normally isn't the largest for Kith, as I recall from like tees. What is it, like the Godfather collaboration, they had like 142 tees, 300 and something tees, like 70 something of another stock. So I know that their stock numbers aren't highest across the board, but I wouldn't expect them to only have 615 of something. If they do, that's quite cool. That's like a limited thing, and at some point I'd love to have it out, but that's not going to fit in my room, because, or in my computer room or my bedroom, because I thought it was a lot smaller. With it being 4 feet by 4 feet, there isn't space anywhere for it. So at some point in time, I will hopefully have it out, and I will demonstrate it being out, and I will show it. But for the time being, it is just going to sit like this, which is such an awful unboxing. How am I meant to do a nice like thumbnail picture? Well, regardless, this is how I'm kicking off 2022, with an unboxing where you don't see the item. But that's nothing new for my channel, I suppose. It's sort of something that people should be used to, where it's like, you know, it's like I just open something up and you don't completely see it. I would be cracking this out, but there's no point, because it would need to go straight back in, because there's nowhere for it to go at the moment. The reason why I think that this is also like a limited number thing is because something else that I like purchased during Christmas says that it's carton number 1650 of 2000. So with that in mind, I would expect that that's 2000 stock overall. Like, and this says carton that of that. So maybe I shouldn't have read my number out, but yeah, that's what it says. So regardless, it's cool. I wish that I had the Looney Tunes one as well, because then I could like stack them up and collect them, but I don't, because my orders from Looney Tunes were cancelled, as you know. So yeah, but yeah, that is going to cover this video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, like, much appreciated. Other than that, I'm sorry that I'm not opening this up. I'm really sorry. I'm sure someone on Reddit has opened it up and unboxed it and got it out. I'm sure there's someone out there who's done that, but unfortunately it's not me, because I just haven't got the space for it. I like really don't currently, and I'm not just gonna throw it out and roll up another rug just to have this one out and about. So yeah, but that is going to cover it from me. Apologies. I should have my sort of best of 2021 like live cops out either tomorrow or on Thursday, but I might just save it for Thursday, because I don't think that we have the season sale this week. I think it's next week. So as of that, I feel like I should just save it till then and upload something else during the week, if I have anything, that is. But yeah, that is going to cover it, like I said. So thank you for watching. Let me know whether you picked anything up from the Star Wars collection or just anything else in general over the last couple of weeks. I hope that you had a good New Year's, like I said. And yeah, that about covers it. So I hope that you have a good day, and I will see you all next time. Peace.